Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to configure screen recording settings in your OPPO Reno 15. So, at first we need to scroll down to the control panel over here, and now we need to search for the screen recording icon. As you can see, here it is. If you don't see it here, you need to tap this pen icon over here, tap gadget over here, tap this plus, and search for the screen recording somewhere here. So if you have it added, you need to now hold your finger on the screen recording, and here as you can see you have screen recording and partial screen recording. Apart from that, tap more settings, and here you have record system sound, record microphone sound, definition, which is the actually quality. We can set custom, low, medium and high. Here they have frame rate, which by default is set to dynamic, but we can set 60 or 30. Privacy protection, notification settings where updates and quick settings are appearing in your screen recordings, even though they still show up while you record your screen. Indicator location, record from camera video, auto pause, short screen touches, video encoding coding format, and about notification, which is actually unnecessary for here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.